Next we are discussing one important point, that is integration of f dash x dx. Okay, integration of f dash x dx will be what? Fx plus c. Okay, and f dash x dx we can write as what? D of fx. What is d of fx? F dash x into dx. This we know. Okay, so instead of f dash x dx we can write what? D of fx. So this will come out integration of d of fx. So this one integration will be what? Fx plus c. Okay, for example, integration of d of sin x. Okay, so this will come what? Sin x plus c. Okay, if you want to do this one, d of sin x we can write is what? Sin x difference is what? Cos x, and x difference is what? Dx. And we know integration of cos x is what? Sin x plus c. Okay, so whatever is given, d of something is given, so same thing will come plus c. Okay, for example, integration of d of, I can write e power x sin x into cos x. So this is equal to what will come? E power x sin x into cos x plus c. This will come. Okay, so inside d we are writing this one, so this one integration will come out e power x sin x into cos x plus c. This will come. We are discussing integration by parts, or we can say product formula, or we can say UV rule. According to this one, if you want to do integration of fx into gx into dx, okay, so we are multiplying two functions fx and gx. If you want to do this one integration, so we'll use integration by parts, or we can say product formula, or we can say UV rule. Okay, तो इसमें क्या होता है, इन दोनों फंक्शन में से एक फंक्शन को क्या करेंगे, एक फंक्शन को हम इंटीग्रल फंक्शन लेंगे और दूसरा फंक्शन क्या हो जाएगा? डिफरेंशियल फंक्शन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट इंटीग्रल फंक्शन. ओके, तो उसे कैसे सेलेक्ट करेंगे, उसके लिए हमारे पास एक रूल है, दैट रूल इज आइलेट रूल. Okay, this rule we call as what? Eilert rule. Okay, here in some books it will be there, Li also there. Okay, we can interchange these two. Okay, there is no effect if I take L here and I here, but At is always here only. Okay, now here we are discussing priority of integral function. Okay, so first is priority of selecting integral function. Priority of selecting integral function. So first priority, okay, first priority is what? Exponential function. Okay, among these two functions, one function is exponential function, that function will take as what? Integral function. Okay, so first priority is what? E. What is E? E is exponential function. E is exponential function. Okay, so first priority is what? E. If exponential function is not there, then second priority is what? Trigonometry function. Okay, if exponential is not there and trigonometry is there, then we will take trigonometry function as integral function. So second priority is T. What is T? T is trigonometry function. Okay, second priority is what? T. T is trigonometry function. Okay, if exponential is not there, trigonometry is not there, then third priority is what? E. A is algebraic function. Okay, third priority E. A is algebraic function. Okay, and algebraic function is always present in the function. Okay, if you are not able to see the algebraic function, then what you will take? Y equal to 1. Okay, with any function we can take fx dot 1, and 1 is what? Algebraic function. Okay, now next is what? L. L is logarithmic function. Okay, fourth is L. L is logarithmic function. We can say log function. Okay, and fifth is I. Fifth is I. I is inverse trigonometry function. Okay, so there is no effect in fourth and fifth, because if I have integration of log x into dx. Okay, so you can see here we have one function is what? Logarithmic function, but we are not able to see other function. Then how to do this integration? So what you will do here, we will do dot 1. Okay, and one is what? Algebraic function. Algebraic function. And this is what? Logarithmic function. This is logarithmic function. Okay, so according to this rule, if logarithmic function and algebraic function is there, then algebraic function will take its integral function and logarithmic function is what? Differential function. So here this will come differential function and this will be integral function. Okay, so one we can write. Okay, if you are not able to see algebraic function, then we write dot 1. Okay, so in this integration we'll decide integral function and differential function. For example, gx is integral function. Gx is integral function. Then fx will be what? Differential function. Then how to do this integration? So this integration will do like that. Fx is outside. We'll integrate gx with respect to dx. So integration of gx into dx minus big integration will come. Then what you will do? We'll differentiate fx with respect to x. So d by dx of fx into integration of gx. Integration of gx into dx. Integration of gx into dx and in bracket dx. Okay, so this dx because of this integration and this dx because of this integration. So this formula we will use for integration of fx into gx. Okay, now we are discussing proof of this one. Okay, proof. So we know that d by dx of fx into hx, this one differentiation we know. So if you want to do differentiation of this one, what you will do? First we will differentiate fx. So fx differentiate what? F dash x. X differentiate what? Dx by dx, that is 1, and hx will be as it is. Plus next time fx will be as it is, we will differentiate hx. So hx differentiate what? S dash x, and x differentiate what? 1. So this will come. Okay, now this one we will integrate. So what will come? Integration of d by dx of in bracket fx into hx into dx equal to integration of f dash x into hx into dx plus integration of fx into s dash x into dx. Okay, so here we are writing separate. Okay, so this will come what? Dx getting cancelled. What will come? D of fx into hx. So this one integration will come what? Fx into hx equal to, this one is what? Integration of f dash x into hx into dx plus this will be integration of fx into s dash x dx. Now this term we are taking in this side. Okay, so we can write this one is what? Integration of fx into s dash x dx. Okay, so this will come what? Fx into hx minus this term we are taking in this side. So what will come? Integration of f dash x into hx into dx. This will come. Okay, so here what you are doing? S dash x we are taking gx. Okay, s dash x we are taking gx. Okay, so integration of s dash x is what? Integration of s dash x is what? hx. Okay, so instead of s dash x we can write gx. So what will come? Integration of gx into dx equal to what? hx. This will come. Okay, so this one we can write integration of fx s dash x we can write what? Gx. So what will come? Fx into gx into dx equal to fx is as it is. What is hx? So hx equal to what? Integration of gx into dx. Okay, so instead of hx we can write integration of gx into dx minus integration f dash x as it is. Hx we can write what? Integration of gx into dx. Integration of gx into dx in bracket dx. Okay, so this will come. So integration of fx into gx into dx is what? Fx outside, integration of gx into dx minus integration of f dash x into integration of gx into dx to the whole integration dx. This will come. You can see this one and this one both are same only. So this is your proof.